So, running the Microsoft Adobe retail source, I have a locally running AIM instance here, and I've created a single site for SuperDry, and I have run the utility to create the ACC and Dynamics packages, and I've installed those packages on my ACC instance to the client, and uploaded this, the experience package into my Dynamics instance. So now I'm ready to run the demo. Final step is to run this finally to configure the demo to make sure everything's working correctly. So all the packages installed correctly, Dynamics instance is running nicely. And then I can go to the dashboard of my instance. And you'll notice I have no profiles created inside ACC because I haven't run the demo yet. So the first step is to go to SuperDry, go to the demo config to select the user that I would like to run the demo with. In this case, I've created a user using the utility like this. Click Save, Close, and here the user is now saved as a cookie on my browser. Then I will go ahead and open up the Bing pages and the news page in preparation for running the scenario. So news page. These pages have been configured using utility. So I've specified that the search criteria for the Bing page should be jacket, and here I've got a customized set of Bing results, and I've got an image that I've uploaded and it's placed here. This will take me firstly to the SuperDry site where I have got products from We Retail, and the story goes that I'll go and sign up, but the first case I'll go and abandon this scenario. So the window will just close and nothing will happen. Next, I will go to the news page, click on the advert there, and here I am once again back to the new sign up page. It's pre-filled with that user that I've selected here. I'm interested in information on hiking, biking, and running. I'll click Submit. Now this goes off and creates a contact with inside Dynamics and a profile with inside ACC. So I've just got that little spinning wheel just to show that it's actually happening. And finally, a message to say thank you for subscribing. So inside ACC, I should have a user created here, correct? And it's subscribed. And in my Dynamics instance, if I go to Sales, Contacts, I have a user created. Until it's loaded, then we can confirm the correct details have been transferred across. The email address, the information that I requested, the current status is visitor. Then I can scroll down and show the marketing history powered by campaign. Here it's just set as visitor. And I would receive an email, which will probably go into my junk mail account to start with. So it's gone into I received an email, it's gone into my junk mail, which I can then move to my inbox, and then you can view the the assets that have been created. It's been branded for Superdry. It has my name. The brand name is here, Superdry. I can then go and click on that particular product. You'll see it goes to my local instance. The image may not appear necessarily in Outlook, but if you open up in a web browser, you'll see it, or in other web clients, it tends to work. On Windows, it seems to be failing. So this opens up. If I click on this image, this will open up my locally running AM instance, if it would behave itself. So this is my locally running AM instance. It knows that it's something Superdry. It's a particular product that I've selected as the feature product during the utility setup. And I click Add to Cart. And then enter my mobile number. So I can go ahead and receive an SMS. There's a slight delay here while the purchase is made and the details are transferred across. Now I return to Dynamics and refresh this particular user contact, and you'll see this. The information has been, the mobile number has been crossed. My address, it's now status is buyer. So I can scroll down to the marketing history. It's set to buyer, and then I can now go back to my dashboard inside ACC and start a SMS campaign. So I can do it will send an SMS using that mobile number I provided. At some point I should receive an SMS. So SMS should receive one shortly, which will take me to the to a hosted page, but I will also receive another email. As you can't receive, the SMS will contain a link to my locally running AEM instance. So I will not be able to view the product, but if I go back to here and click on No More, it will then take me back to this particular page, and I can go ahead and continue and buy this product again. And the user will now become a repeat buyer inside Dynamics. And that's the end of the retail flow.